Um, Welcome to this pet shop. Blind bags. Okay. So I'm gonna show you all my old ones and new ones and the babies ones. So let's get started. So first we have this one. Let's start with inside here. Okay, we have this pink cow. And I have a purple flower. And I love this one more. Okay, so then we're gonna start. We're gonna do another one. Okay. This one. Let's see what we have inside here. Might be an ugly one. I hate ugly ones. I like pretty ones. Do you like pretty ones? I do. Okay, so let's see what we have inside here. Okay, we have this one. I kind of really like this, but not that much because I like only the heart, the blue heart. That's it. Okay, now let's go to the other one. That's one cuter. I think. I'm not sure it's cute or not because I never had an ugly one. Actually, I did. And I don't like it. So ugly. Okay, so we have this one. Sorry for doing that. So let's see what we have inside here. You know why I do this so fast? Because I have something in it, open it fast. Okay, so we have like a koala, and this is so cute. Some people they say that's ugly, and some people they not. For me, it's cute. Do you think this is cute? I'm cute. Why I say I'm ugly and I'm more cuter than you? Psych. Okay, now let's get to another one. Okay, so we have another one. Okay, so let's see what we have inside here. Okay, we have this. They said children, that's the girls, and look what she do. Acting this is a split. They say this is a split. They liar. This is a new one. From Littlest Pet Shop. Littlest Pet Shop, you and me. I'm so crazy. I got beat it up, you. Okay, now let's get to the other one. So, okay, let's see what we have. Okay, we have another one. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, we have this, a horse. A brown horse with stars. I almost use her for everything because she's so cute. Okay, and the last one, because I have only 5. Next time I'm getting another one, and I hope it's not the same thing. Please, not the same thing. Okay, now let's see what we have inside here. Might be a surprise. Man, she is white. Look at her right here. She's a girl because I could tell because she has something pink, a flower. Flower is a pink. is pink. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you my old one, and it's bobbled. So this one he loved, or she, gold. Loves gold. That's why I have it. Okay, now here's another one. And here's one, and I use it for Frozen. Okay, now this is another one that is almost cute. Not that much cute. I'll be the one. I better timber. You be the one. I better dance. You better move it. I'm Big Kim. What the? You don't even know how to sing it. Oh, yes I do. You be the one. I better timber. You better fart on my face. Okay. Now, this one is from Lou's Pet Shop. Okay, and this, you can see it, look. It turned light. Okay, so the last one is a bird. I have a music note in his head. Okay, now time for the babies. Okay, we have this one. Wait, yeah, this one. And it's cute, so cute. It is a kitty. Okay, now time for the deer. I use it for a horse. I don't know why. And this is like a bunny or rabbit. I don't know. I don't know what's this. Could one of y'all tell me? You got the right answer. Yay! Okay. Now a pink one. Okay. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this. I'll be the one. I better timber. You better fart on my face. Ah! Right in the face. Pa, 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 pa.